Happy Ugadi to you all. This is how Ugadi Pachadi is made with 6 unique tastes: sweet jaggery, sour tamarind, salt, bitter neem blossoms, tangy mango, and spicy with chili powder. It is a symbol of the diversity of life, the sweetness of joy, the sourness of surprise, the saltiness of fear, the spiciness of love, the bitterness of grief, and the tartness of the unexpected. All have to be balanced to live a comprehensive and full life. Life would be boring if it had only one flavor, isn't it? Ugadi or New Year means a fresh start. We in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka call it Ugadi, while in Maharashtra it's known as Gudi Padwa, the Marwaris call it Thapna, and the Sindhis call it Cheti Chand. Once again, a happy new year to you all.